Hello, friends. Myself, Dr. Deepak. Today we have completed the sixth day of our corona duty, and we are healthy. We haven't any symptoms till now. Day by day, the number of patients are increasing in the wards, but that many patients are also discharged. So the rotation is going on, but the number of patients is increasing day by day, and it is a very serious matter. Today we have we have to use the cup shaped N95 mask because the metal strip mask which we are actually using from the last 5 days, it is not available, and we have to use that cup shaped N95 masks. But I have feel that these masks are more suffocating than that one, the metal strip mask. So in the last video also I have recommended for that metal strip mask, and today we have used that cup shape mask. So finally it is concluded that that metal strip mask is more better than this cup shape mask, because they are actually good enough, but if we have to take the long round, so it is I feeling difficulty in that mask, particularly because its inner surface it is rough, and that that rough inner surface it is irritating during the round time and all that. But that masks are not available, so we have to use that one. So we cannot do anything for that. In the donning area, the sweepers and the other health workers and all that, actually they are not using the PPE kit properly. One lady has wear of the gown, and on that gown she is wearing a shoe cover. So it is actually the wrong. First of all, we have to wear the shoe cover, and then after we have to use the gown. So we have correct her, and then she has to wear the put out all the gown, and then have to wear the shoe cover first, and then the gown and all that. So some are also not taking so much precautions. Some are using only the one N95 mask, and some are not using the cap and all that. So these all things is going on. I have also observed one doctor who is wandering in the patient area without wearing the PPE kit, and he is only wearing the N95 mask. I think he is very much frustrated during his duty, and that's why he is not wearing the PPE kit. And he is a very healthy person. But it is not recommended. Actually, we must have to take proper care for ourselves, because if we are healthy, then the patient should be healthy. Okay. So it is not suggested that you will go inside the home patient area without wearing the PPE kit, or without wearing anything that is available in the PPE kit. We must have to use the all PPE kit and all the other accessories which is provided by them. Then in the during the round time, the patient who have given the Beheda syrup last day, and I have said you that we will see if he has increased the symptoms or decreased, but that patient is already discharged. So today this patient is not available. So actually I don't know then what's going on. Then today we have taken many new patients. Means the number of patient it is increasing day by day, and the patient are also discharging very quickly. Most of the patient have only one or two symptoms, like the common symptoms, like the some have the headache, or some have the little bit fever, or some have the little bit coughing, or many patients have observed with the abdominal discomfort, and the diarrhea and the vomiting, and this is also one common symptom of the COVID-19. So we have in the female ward there is one lady with his 5-year children. So it is very difficult actually. The child has no symptom, but he her test is positive and he must have to stay with her mother at that room. So it is very difficult actually. So and we have observed that the family is coming, because means they are not actually maintaining the social distancing. Means if the one patient in the family it is positive, so the whole family is getting infected and they have to stay in the corona wards. So it is actually difficult. So you must have to take care properly, and the person who is going outside the home, he must have to take care, because if he is coming with the corona, so the whole family should be corona positive. So we must have to take care properly. And today I am watching one video in the Gujarati news channel that they are claiming that some Russian scientists have claimed that only the warm water is very useful for the corona. But according to the Ayurveda, and as we are distributing the Ayurvedic decoction to the policemen for the 3 to 4 months, so it is my experience that it is a really very good thing. We must have to use the warm water for our regular as a drinking water, and we can use the shunthi with that. And the lukewarm water, it is very useful for the digestion also, and it will clear your throat. So you can also gargle with the turmeric and the salt, as we are also using that gargle as a turmeric and the salt. So it is very useful. It will clear your throat, and it will also kill the virus load which is present in your throat. So you must have to do all that thing together, not one by one, but all things together, and that can maintain your health. So this holistic approach can only improve your health and prevent you from the corona. So these all things is happening here, and we are healthy and we are taking our medicine regularly. We are also doing the Nashya Karma with the Brahmi Grit, and also using the gargling and all that. So hope so you will also follow that, and you will also be healthy and happy. So happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. And we are here in the duty, and even not noticing the Sundays and all the holidays and all that, but it is our duty. Okay, so it is for you only, so you must have to take care. Okay, so take care of yourself. Thank you very much.